there, I'm Diksha and today I'm going to walk you through a hair care routine featuring some of the new products I've experimented with for a week. Before I begin, make sure to subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel and ring the bell icon for further notifications. Okay, so the first product I got my hands on is the Indulekha Shwet Katuja oil. Now I've been struggling with dandruff and hair fall for the past 2 months, which is why I was actively seeking a solution. What's unique about this oil is the white tooth selfie comb that allows direct application to the scalp, reaching the roots for scalp and hair health. The Ayurvedic blend of Shwet Katuja, Bhringraj, Neem and Amla help to reduce the hair fall and strengthen hair follicles, promoting a healthier scalp and stronger hair. The next product is the Love Beauty and Planet Tea Tree Oil and Peppermint Scalp Scrub. What drew me to this product was its impressive list of ingredients. It's got tea tree oil, which is a dandruff-fighting champion, thanks to its powerful antibacterial properties. It also contains walnut shell powder that exfoliates and gets rid of dead skin cells. To top it off, there's a peppermint essential oil which not only cools but also soothes an irritated scalp and enhances blood circulation. Now, let's dive into the Tresemme Bond Strength Keratin Repair Shampoo and Conditioner. They're like a quick 5-minute hair therapy session you can do right at home. This duo is packed with protein bondplex technology, which works its magic by targeting different layers of your hair and help restore and strengthen the strands from within. After using them for a week, I observed a noticeable reduction in hair fall, indicating that the bondplex technology has boosted hair elasticity and strength. Plus, I've noticed more shine, increased softness, reduced frizz, and smoother ends. My hair care routine is never complete without a hair mask. I switched my old hair mask for the Dove Healthy Ritual for strengthening hair mask. This mask has strengthening properties, a must-have for me, as it effectively reinforces my curly hair, reducing the risk of breakage and damage. Enriched with oat milk and honey, it specifically targets damaged and lifeless hair, providing generous hydration and improving manageability. So these were the hair care products I tested for a week, and I must say, each one brings something unique to the table. The hair oil fights dandruff and hair fall. The scalp scrub detoxifies the scalp. The shampoo and conditioners repair damages and restore strength. And the hair mask revives my curly hair. So guys, I hope you liked this video. Time for me to go. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel and ring the bell icon for further notifications.